guys, Yes here. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm partnering up with Catrice Cosmetics to bring you guys this really cute, quick, on-the-go makeup look. So if you guys want to learn how I got it, then please keep watching. Alright guys, so to start off, I'm going to be going in with my Physicians Formula Organic Wear Lip Treatment. I recently discovered this stuff and I have been loving it just because you guys know that I'm a balm freak. Look at that. Sorry, it just feels so good to put it on. I'm a balm freak. Oh my god, I can't speak. And I actually had this sitting in a little bag of stuff and I tried it and I've been obsessed with it. Alright, so next up we are going to be going in with our face oil to prep for our foundation. And we are going in with the Drunk Elephant Virgin Marula Luxury Face Oil. Damn, that's kind of a long name. But it's this one right here. I mentioned it in my favorites video and oh my god, this stuff is amazing. I've been using it before I go to sleep, and then I wake up with baby butt skin. Sorry, I was trying to make sure that I didn't like say something weird. But yeah, baby butt skin, like your skin just feels so nice. And so now I'm gonna use it under my foundation. Now we're gonna go with our Benefit Professional because we gotta cover up those crazy pores, honey. So we're just gonna go in a little bit. So I'm gonna be going in with my Catrice HD Liquid Coverage Foundation, which is this one right here. And they actually just extended their shade range. So I'm gonna show it to you guys. This is the box that it came in, and I actually have been able to try it out before it launched. So I've been wearing it, and this is what we've got right here, and that one obviously is the one that I'm using. All right, so I'm gonna be going in with the shade Desert Beige. It's the number 48. It has a cool little dropper. So now we're just gonna go ahead and go in, and this is a full coverage foundation. You guys know that full coverage is my favorite. Full coverage or nothing. Just kidding. All right, so we're just gonna go ahead and tap it all in there. And although it looks a tad bit darker than my neck, once we highlight, it's all gonna balance out. So do not be worried. So like I said, they recently extended, or they just extended their shade range. And they are also vegan and cruelty-free. And then once we get to the forehead, we do wanna pull it back just to make sure that our actual head doesn't look super white, you know? That's not a good look. All right, so now that we have our foundation all in, we're gonna go ahead and go in with our highlighter, and I'm going in with the Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Light Medium Sand. And like I said before, this is going to balance us out so that it doesn't look like it's darker. We're gonna go in here. All right, so as you can see, it just kind of balances out a little bit so it doesn't look crazy, and it also, I don't know, it just makes our face look so much better when we highlight. Now we are gonna be going in with our Wander Glotion, and it is a liquid illuminator, and I've recently been getting into these. I had been using more cream illuminators, but recently I got into liquid ones just to like prep for our highlight, and I've been really liking it for that nice dewy look. So we're just gonna go in here. It's just very light and subtle to kind of prep for the real glow. And down here. Okay, so now that we've added the liquid illuminator, we're gonna be going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit, and I'm gonna be mixing these two right here. And I'm gonna be going in with my Huda Beauty Bake and Blend face brush, but I use it for other than baking and blending because I don't follow the rules. So same over here. Just kind of brush it through, very like subtle. And then down here in the chin area. And we are going to be baking our face with our Too Faced Peaches and Cream powder. Oh my god, you guys know that I love this stuff. And every time that I use it, I can't stop talking about it, so. Alright. Oh my god, yes. Honestly, setting your face makes all the difference. There we go. Alright, and now we are going to be going in with our bronzer. And we're using this super cute one from Too Faced. It is a Sweetheart bronzer in the color Sweet Tea, but I want to say this is the only Sweetheart bronzer they have. So, and just a big fluffy brush, kind of just going in here. Like that. Going around our face to like slim it down. And now we're gonna go in with our blush, and this is the Benefit Cosmetics in the shade Dallas, and it's kind of like a grayish sophisticated pink. That's the way that I would describe it, sophisticated. Just kind of smile. It smells good. I love products that smell good. I think I might make like a video dedicated to products that smell amazing, because I love products that smell amazing, and I feel like they deserve that kind of credit, because I feel like nobody really thinks about the good smelling products, and I feel like they're a really big deal. You guys know that they're a big deal to me, so please, if you guys have any products that are amazing, recommend them, or that smell amazing, recommend them down below, because I want to smell your favorite product. Now we're gonna move on to eyebrows. And here's the thing. I ran out of my Precisely My Brow. So I'm gonna be trying something else. And I'm really crossing my fingers that it works. I actually tried out the Brow Contour Pro, and wow, surprise, surprise, the shade was too dark for me, so I looked crazy. So now you know what, I might try to use that and the Too Faced brow thing, the Too Faced brow gel. So you know, we're just gonna be experimenting together here. So if I end up looking a little crazy, just know that it happens to all of us. I know people think, oh wow, you know how to do your makeup and whatever. I still have days where my makeup doesn't come out the way that I want, and I'm like, you know what, cancel the plans. I'm not coming because my eyelash is not working with me, or my eyebrows are not working with me. So girl, do not feel alone. We all have those days, and today's one of those days. And I'm hoping that because I'm on camera, this like works, but we'll see. So I'm going in with the brow contour, and this is in the shade 3. So I'm gonna be going in with the deeper shade. Ooh. Oh my God. So what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna outline the bottom, and then I'm gonna try to fluff it out with the brow gel from Too Faced. So let's go. So I'm almost taking it like at a slight angle here. Oh wow, okay, so we did the bottom nicely. Now we're gonna try to like go in here a little bit, but not too much, because the last time that I tried it, it came out way too dark and I looked insane. So, all right, let's go over here. Do you guys like how I have a mirror over here, but I'm gonna use this one. Perfect. I'm gonna be going in with my Too Faced brow gel, and I'm just gonna be going in here and kind of in here. Alrighty, so are they twins? Hell no, they are not twins. They're like stepsisters. They're not even real sisters, but you know what? We are gonna roll with the punches. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and curl our eyelashes. And remember, from the tip to the root, you guys. There we go. Now we're gonna be going in with our Huda Beauty Coral Obsessions, and I really like this because it's like easy to travel with, and it has a lot of like neutral colors. So I'm gonna be going in with this center one right here, which is a neutral brown, and we're just gonna be going in here into our crease. And since we are doing a very chill and easy look, we're just gonna go in with this just to give it a little bit of dimension so our eyes don't look super flat. I know for some people, like the full face is already a lot, and even the eyebrows, but I know that a lot of people definitely don't want to do eye makeup, so that's why I'm showing you guys how I use this. And then we'll go in with that same one. I think we'll probably go in with this one right here. And we're kind of just gonna follow that shape. And it's pretty easy. There's like nothing like defined here that you have to do or anything. It's definitely not like a cut crease, but it's fairly easy once you get like used to doing it as a routine. So then you go in there. We kind of have a little bit of dimension in our eye. It doesn't look so flat. And now we're gonna go in with our mascara, and I'm going in with the Lancome Monsieur Big Waterproof. And I also spoke about this in my favorites video because it's amazing. You guys know that I can't use just any mascara, so I'm excited that I found this new one. I'm gonna go in. And if you're not into waterproof, they also have it in just regular. So, like, look at how nice. Yes. All right, so I'm gonna give you guys 2 lip options depending on, you know, how you're feeling. You can choose whichever you like. But for the first option, I'm gonna be going in with the Maybelline Plumper Please in the color All Access. And this is cute because I feel like it like goes with my dress. So if you're feeling a little spunky, you can go in with something like this. I mean, you can go in with literally whatever you like. If you wanna go in with the black girl, go ahead, rock it. But for this particular look, I'm gonna show you guys 2 colors. So this one's really cool because it has a matte side, which is the liner, and then a gloss side. So it's really cool. This is cute. Whoa, if you guys are looking for a good drugstore lip plumper, I would definitely recommend that one because my lips are feeling on fire right now. All right, so for option number 2, I'm gonna be going in with a mix. For my liner, I'm going in with the Laura Mercier Fierce Velour Extreme Lipstick. And now I'm just gonna be lining my lips first. All right, so we've got that. And there we go, that's the final look. Just kidding. All right, so now we're gonna be going in with the Maybelline Plumper Please in the shade Tease Tease. And we're gonna be going in with that one, with the one lip liner side on the inside. And then we are going to move on to the gloss side. And this is my favorite shade from all of the plumpers just because it's obviously a nude. You guys know this. And we're just gonna go in. Just make sure you blend it well. So this is like my favorite combo at the moment. It's all I've been wearing just because it matches with everything. And it's nude, so. Ooh, what do we think? Do we like it? Alright guys, so that's it for today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Thanks again to Catrice Cosmetics for partnering with me on this video. I always feel so honored to be able to partner with these amazing brands. Please don't forget to subscribe before you go, and I'll talk to you guys next time.